Hi, I am Yogesh Gute. Today's point is blood and circulatory disorders. Now, blood contains four types: plasma, red blood cell, white blood cell, and platelets. Now, RBC contains blood disorder is anemia. Anemia contains lack of RBC, and deficiency anemia is contain hypoxic condition. Now, pernicious anemia is deficiency of B12 vitamins. Sickle cell anemia is a genetic disorder that contain blood is in rigid and stick formation. And hemolytic anemia, it is mistakenly attack of a cell body blood to the clot formation. Polycythemia vera, it produces in bone and a large blood on these clots and thickening of the blood. This is the polycythemia vera. And thalassemia is a genetic disorder reduces RBC production. Now RBC is production is reduced and lack of anemia formation. And white blood cell contains blood disorder is leukopenia. Leukopenia means the low white blood cell count, low the white blood cell. Leukemia is increase white blood cell count, increase the white blood in the leukemia. Lymphosoma is a cancer begin in which lymphatic system, lymph nodes, thymus and bone marrow is the part of the cancerous. Neutropenia is a low level of neutrophils. And basophilia is increase the number of basophils. And third one is platelets. Platelets contains thrombocytopenia. It contains low platelets count in the blood. And hemophilia is a genetic bleeding disorder. It is genetically blood are not normally clotting. They are in not early blood count. The blood is not get proper clotting formation. This is the now the blood disorder in the circulatory system. Now explain blood. Blood is a fluid connective tissue. It contains transformation of oxygen to the all over the body. Now blood components is four components. First one is plasma, second one is a red blood cell, third one is a WBC, fourth one is a platelets. Now one by one explain all the blood component of blood. First one is the plasma. Plasma is a watery fluid tissue. Watery fluid compound is contains 95% water and 5 to 10% of the compound such as proteins, amino acid, carbohydrates, vitamins. Most of the proteins that's they are contain the nourishment and the growth of the cell. And the waste material, plasma contains waste material to the out of the via kidney to the excrete the body. Now plasma contains different types of function perform. Albumin, globulin and basophils contain different types of function which has the antibodies, coagulation and osmotic and blood homeostasis, body temperature maintain the plasma. Now plasma contains blood clotting factor is a plasma, and without clotting factor is a serum. And second one is a red blood cell. red blood cell is a uh, biconwave cell, which is color in the hemoglobin contains the red color in the cell. The main function of the red blood cell is the transportation of the oxygen to the all over body, and the carbon dioxide get exhalation to the all tissue organs to the lungs throughout the body. This is the main part of the red blood cell, and it get contain different types of blood pressure. It may arises to all over the body, get blood proper pressure. Now blood RBC contains white blood cell. White blood cell is the colorless fluid, and which are contains two different types. One is granulocyte and another is agranulocytes. Granulocytes contains the cytoplasm is present on the cell. Now granulocytes contains three subunits. First one is eosinophils. Eosinophils is the main function is the allergic reaction. They are present in the respiratory tract, and the respiratory tract to the infection, allergic infection to arises due to the lack and damage the pathogens. Second one is basophil. Basophil is the inflammation of the body. They are pathogen, inflammation pathogen. They are damage and the cure the cell. The third one is the neutrophils. Neutrophils contain the bacterial and fungal infection to damage the bacterial infection viruses, and kill the bacteria and save the cell. And granulocytes which contain granules are not present on the cytoplasm. It contains two types, monocytes and lymphocytes. Monocytes contain the phagocytic condition, the waste material and the damaged cell and pathogens. They are engulf and excrete out of the body. This is the main function of the monocyte, is called as a phagocytosis. Another one is the lymphocyte. Lymphocytes contain two cells. One is a B cell and another is a T cell. B cell contains memory and plasma cell. Memory is the remembering of the antibody. Now get antibody contains in the antigen to kill the antigen, and the whatever antigen are found in the body to kill the antibody. This process memorize in the memory cell. Plasma cell contains the antibody. That's any pathogens arises in the body, they are damage this pathogen and kill the pathogens. This is the immunity. Second most immunity is the B cell. Another is a T cell. T is a hyper T cell. It's contain the our body contains different types of foreign substances. They are kill, and the cancer cell also kill the T cells. The third one is the platelets. Platelets contain the main function is the coagulation of the blood. Now cut the body. That time our blood is coagulate. The main function of the platelets is the blood clotting factor are formed, and fibrinogen contains the blood is clotting in early time. This is the function of the platelets. This is the all over the body and blood disorder. Our body contains imbalance of the blood is mandatory for the proper maintaining the body and daily routine, physical work, and get proteinous food to the daily basis. It is not arises any disease. This is all about. Thank you.